files first information report against trainee IAS officer Pooja Khedkar and served a notice for the cancellation of her candidature from the Civil Services Exam 2022 and debar her from future exams. Namaskar and welcome. This is Tanya Gusai and you are watching IIMT News. In a significant turn of events, the Union Public Service Commission has filed an FIR against a trainee IAS officer Pooja Khedkar on Friday, July 19. This development has raised serious concern about her future in the prestigious civil service. Pooja Khedkar, who recently joined the training at the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration in Mussoorie, has been a promising candidate. Her selection into the IAS was considered a testament to her hard work and dedication. However, recent allegations have brought her candidature under scrutiny. The FIR has been lodged under various sections of the Indian Penal Code related to forgery, cheating and criminal conspiracy. The filing of the FIR could have served implications for Pooja Khedkar's career. If the allegations are proven true, not only could her candidature be cancelled, but she also could face legal consequences, including imprisonment and fines. The UPSC has a strict policy against any form of malpractice, and this case is being treated with utmost seriousness. The UPSC has maintained a zero tolerance policy towards any form of unethical conduct in the selection process. In a statement, the Commission emphasized its commitment to maintain the integrity and transparency of the examination system. The UPSC spokesperson stated, "We are committed to ensuring that only the most deserving candidates join the civil services. Any deviation from ethical standards will be dealt with strictly. The legal proceedings will follow the due course of law. Khedkar will have the opportunity to present her defense and counter the allegations. The case will be closely monitored by legal experts and the media, given its potential impact on the credibility of the civil services examination process." The FIR against Pooja Khedkar is a reminder of the high standards and scrutiny associated with the civil services in India. The outcome of this case will not only determine her future but will also reinforce the importance of integrity in the UPSC examination process. As the investigation unfolds, all eyes will be on the development and the decision that follow. That's all for today. For more updates on matters of national and international importance, stay connected with us at IIMT News.